My name's Alastair. I'm the General Manager of Engineering, Innovation and Quality here at Ryco. Ryco's been with Burson since the beginning, back since 1971. Air quality, as we've discovered in recent years, is really important. So filters are a way of keeping things clean and preventing that contamination from getting in the first place. Meeting or exceeding OEM specifications is really important to Ryco. It's our brand promise at the end of the day. That OEM filter comes in here and we set it through its paces to understand exactly how it filters. And then we set about to create a filter that will match that performance. And we have a number of pieces of equipment in these labs which are quite sophisticated in their ability to measure all of those things concurrently. And again, that's based on our history in Australia, our knowledge of the Australian environment, our knowledge of our consumers here. So supercars came to us, could we get a racing engine to last an entire season without requiring a rebuild? In the end, we were able to do that. We were able to keep the fuel systems clean, the oil and the air intakes clean. That to me demonstrates the power of filtration. I think the reason why Ryco and Burson's relationship is so enduring is because Burson wants to give their consumers a choice and they want to deliver each time and every time and get it sorted. And I think that's why we've been together for 54 years and we'll be together for another 54 years.